Welcome back. We're doing a little work on the bus, trying to figure out a way to get some shelving up over here so we could store like paper goods and other things, dishes maybe. Came across these in the trash, a couple of wire baskets from a closet organizer, so I started hacking one up, cut it into pieces, see if I can get it to fit up over here. We bent it, re-welded some of the little wires on there, and now I want to weld on some washers to go into those existing screws. It's not long enough, so we're going to couple it together with another one. See if we could get the length we need and tap into the screws that are here and there, and maybe one that'll tap into that screw over here. Our wire paper towel holder can end up hanging off the bottom of this right there, and the shelf will be up about this high. Let's see what we can whip up with some trash. Made a few marks on there with a pencil. We'll take this in the garage and try to weld it in that spot. We got the welder on the lowest setting possible and carefully put some little spot welds on here. We'll grind it down and then we'll fit it inside and see and determine the location for the next washer. Now we're going to section these together. We've got a straight edge on there, clamped down to the table, and then the other side we will fit the washers in afterwards. We've got to grind that and finish that off, but let's get this together first. We got our pieces welded together. We got to clean them up and paint them afterwards, but now we'll fit up the other side here where we need to weld on the washers. And a quick touch up just on the parts we welded. All dried and installed. We got our paper towels hanging off a string here now. That'll work out fine. The light can still shine up through it. Made a little brace in there to support one part of it, and put little dabs of silicone along here too to keep it from rattling and shaking around. So we'll be able to store some stuff up there. We got our shelf loaded up with some stuff. I had to put extra washers in between over here to get this gap opened up a little bit more because it was kind of hard to fit my bowls in and out. But this will work out good. A lot of time back and forth figuring out where to weld things. So you got to make a mark, go inside, weld the washer, come back, fit it again, but didn't cost anything, just some time to make. Thank you for watching.